Good afternoon, everyone. Today our guest here is Devarga Pal. Devarga, will you please give us a brief introduction about yourself for the audience?
Good afternoon. I've done my graduation from University College, Bangalore. I'm now doing my Strategic Financial Management MBA with EY. My undergrad was based on BCom accounting, so I've learned a lot about accounting and finance. And now I'm focused on business growth, financial modeling, and equity research.
So let us come to the real discussion why we are here. Should companies focus on purpose or profit?
I think purpose gives companies a direction to where they are trying to go. They're giving the product, the vision, the mission, and also where the company, how the company wants to provide to the economy, how can it help in the economy's growth. A purpose also shows the company's long-term visions, its contribution.
So are you saying that purpose is the most important and the company should completely ignore their profits?
I think purpose is important, but profit is what helps a business to sustain. For long-term growth and long-term sustainability, salaries, expenses, and other variables, a company needs their profit to sustain for a longer period of time. A company's profit is what an investor looks for when investing in the company, also for its long-term growth.
But then this means you're stating that both are important. How should a company balance both of them?
Balancing a purpose-driven company in a long term, a company should have its purpose and profits both balanced, because like profit usually gives you the sustainability, but then what comes after is, with sustainability, with profits, you can focus on growing your business with a more environmental, or like what your vision is, what your mission for the public is, what your mission for the product is. So a purpose and products profit should go hand in hand. You should always focus on your purpose and try to increase your profit to the maximum possible.
Can you give us an example how a company can do this?
There are a few companies like Tata who have already reached their maximum potential and still growing. They have a good revenue growth, they have good profit maximization. Also, they're focusing on consumers, what consumers wants, needs, what they're trying to, what the consumer wants basically. So government has also introduced a free tax policy for 3 years when for startups or new grown companies for maximum profit and sustainability.
That is a very nice point that you gave. So, what are the other things that a startup can do other than the government fundings? How can a startup balance the purpose and profit? How can they start? Should they first focus on profits first, or should they create a base for their purpose?
I think initially a startup should focus on building a stronger base, because in a startup position, companies don't have a solid customer base, they don't have brand trust, they don't have brand loyalty for customers. So they should focus on building brand loyalty first, building trust in customer bases first, then they should focus on profits. For example, Zomato, when in the previous stages, had an insane customer what do you call it, customer service base. They used to solve every problem, but nowadays that was for customer acquisition. But nowadays they have decreased that, and they have decreased it to a minimum as possible.
That was a lovely discussion. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.